Hi, this is my apartment. So here you can see the laundry room with the washer and dryer. And here we have the living room. And this is the kitchen. I'm gonna walk through it. And there's my coffee. Back to the living room. So that's the hectogram light right there, and this is the Gladden tray table. These are the Stig bar stools. I also bought a cushion to add on to them. Here's the Jusig door rack. I hang my jackets on it and it goes over the door on the laundry room. Back to the living room. So this is the Upland sofa in Remorn light gray. You see I added a lot of pillows on it. This is the Lac coffee table. It also acts as a small dining table for me since I like to sit and watch TV here. And here I have the Hillestead rug. It looks really nice. And also there's my Lac TV unit, my Samsung TV. And you can see I have the Pepid wall clock. Here's the Beckett desk and the Milberget chair. So you can adjust the height of this desk when assembling it. And there my printer is on this small table. It's a table I got from Target. You can also buy it at Walmart though. Okay, and here you see more of my setup, and now you can see my paintings. They look really nice. Got them off Craigslist. The final pan on the living room. Now on to the office. So here I have the Billy bookcase. You can adjust the height of each shelf. It's kind of a mess right now. And this is the Meltorp table. It's meant to be a dining room table. Here's the Milberget chair again. That's my ironing board, my mannequin, and the hectogram light again. Here, I'll turn on the light so you can see how bright it is. And close the blinds. Yeah, it gives a really nice ambient light to the room. This is the Tromer clock and the Ranarp lamp. And here's another pan of the office. And this is the bathroom. You can see my Target towels here. And my extra closet. That's me. Yeah, here I have some extra drawers to store cosplay stuff. Now, on to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. I have a mom bed in queen size. Here's a Hogger dresser. Yeah, I'll open one of the drawers for you. So I have a Haugeston spring mattress underneath here. This is the brimless nightstand. It's like a slightly easier to assemble version of the dresser. And here's another brimless nightstand. Here's my lamp. Very small and cute. Nice ambient light. Okay, another pan around. Here's the bedroom. And there I have these curtains from Amazon. The curtain rod is from Ikea. That's my closet. And here's the other bathroom. So there I have my Amazon shower curtain. So now you've seen everything. Oh, there's IKEA trash cans.